Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Samsung Galaxy A53. This is also one of the very good phone from Samsung. This camera can record 60 fps videos and with 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and it was released in 2022. So the camera is quite good on this phone. But anyway, in this video I'm gonna show you how to display screen refresh rate onto the display. So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. So here in the settings you will find developer options. If you don't have developer option in your Samsung phones, you must check out this video. On the top I'm just mentioning this video. So enable the developer option and then come back to developer option. Here in the developer option you will find many options, and we need to scroll down a little bit. Here we have show refresh rate. So here you can see 120 refresh rate is displaying onto the screen, and that's how you display screen refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.